see. Woolly sheep kisses. Oh, that's a good one. Go kisses. Mwah. Mwah. You throw kisses? Sheep kisses. So soft. You feel it? Oh, and he goes, mwah. Okay, ready? Okay, turn the page. What's gonna come next? Turn it. Oh, peekaboo, I see. Open the peekaboo page. Open it. Go ahead. Oh, soft duckling kisses. Oh, look at that one. That's so soft. Rub it with your fingers. Oh, isn't that great? Okay, what's gonna come next? Who do you think's next?
Tiger.
Oh, peekaboo, I see. Squeaky mouse kisses. Squeak, 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 squeak.
He's laughing.
Squeak, 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 squeak. That's Squeaky Mouse kisses. You do it. Squeak, squeak. Okay, what's going to come next? Let's see. Okay. Mama doesn't know how this book works. Peekaboo, I see. Look at this. I see you. And kitten and puppy and woolly sheep.
Actually, let me see the mirror. Turn
Squeaky
like,
Mouse.
take a look at the mirror.
You do it. You want to read the book? Here, sit up, sit up. You do it. Uh-oh, hey, my hair. You do squeak, squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Who's in there? It's Hammy. Where? Say hi, Hammy. Mouse? Squeak, squeak. Do squeaky mouse kisses? Squeak, 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 squeak. Gordy. Who's there? Hi, Henry. Hi, Henry. What's Gordy doing, huh? Let's go back. Where's Mouse? Where's the mouse? Squeaky Mouse.